Hookah, also known as shisha or water pipe, is a device used for smoking tobacco that is heated with charcoal. The hookah works by drawing smoke from the tobacco through a water-filled chamber, cooling and filtering the smoke before it is inhaled. The hookah consists of several parts: a bowl on top where the tobacco is placed, a heating source such as charcoal, a stem that runs from the bowl to the water-filled base, a hose or hoses, and a mouthpiece. The bowl is packed with tobacco and covered with a perforated foil or metal screen. The charcoal is placed on top of the foil, which heats the tobacco, producing smoke that is drawn through the stem and water, before being inhaled through the hose and mouthpiece. The water in base of the hookah serves to cool and filter the smoke, removing some of the harmful substances present in the tobacco. The length of the hose allows the smoke to cool further before reaching the mouthpiece, making it less harsh on the lungs. Hookahs are typically used in social settings, where users take turns inhaling from the hose, often with a flavored tobacco called shisha.